The town of Kersey is changing its photo radar ordinance, and they did it with very little notice to the public. This is the new ordinance they passed at a special meeting tonight, a meeting that we found out about an hour and 15 minutes before it happened. The new ordinance makes a change. It says that the town's photo radar ordinance won't apply to violations over 25 miles an hour over the speed limit. Does that mean they can issue $340 tickets? Does it mean they're going to issue these photo radar citations through a police officer who actually delivers it to the driver and gives you a court summons to appear in court? Don't really know. But I have questions about how the town council did this. As I mentioned, we found out about this meeting an hour and 15 minutes before it happened. Here's the agenda for it. It's posted in the window at Town Hall. 2 items on the agenda. First, talking about a new hearing officer for speed camera tickets. Second, an executive session with the town attorney for the purpose of receiving legal advice on specific legal questions. There's no mention of discussing the speed camera ordinance in that executive session, but they came out of their hour-long executive session, said we have a new ordinance about the speed cameras, shall we take a vote? Took a vote, bada bing, bada boom, it was done. I have questions about whether or not that's allowed under Colorado's open meetings law, which requires you to have policy discussions in public. And I have questions about how this new ordinance will be enforced. What will the interpretation be? Because we know how the old interpretation went. Just when you think a story is done, it keeps on going. So we'll keep trying to get some answers.